Hello and welcome to this edition of Phantom Flash. I'm Bryce Palico. Our topic today focuses on the rising stars of Major League Baseball. And our guest is a real expert on this topic. Of course, I'm speaking about Logan Hye-Perun. Logan, great to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
Which rookie seems most promising to you early on this season?
Well, for me, in my mind, it's Trevor Story. He's only 23, and he has the bat of a veteran, and he's also flashing his glove on the defensive end as well. And he's filling that leadership role that the Rockies kind of missed when they traded Troy Tulowitzki.
How does the Mets' rotation stack up against the rest of the majors?
I feel like, I know I said earlier in the year that the Giants were the best. I feel like that they are the best in the NL. Just the way that they've come out of the gates with Bartolo Colon, DeGrom, Syndergaard, Matt Harvey, and then you just combine them all together and they have one solid rotation.
Who's the better player, Mike Trout of the Los Angeles Angels or Bryce Harper of the Washington Nationals?
I have to go with Mike Trout. He's just a lot faster than Bryce Harper. He plays defensively a lot better. And overall, he's going to produce more runs, and that's going to produce more wins for his team.
And that does it for this edition of Phantom Flash. Thank you for watching.